Tesla is continuing down today. We closed at 320.11, down $3.79, 1.17% down post-market. We seem to be continuing down. So let's take a look at our chart. So yesterday we broke 326.34, went lower and went almost as low as 313.13. And today we are continuing down. So we are on our way to 313.13, and things in terms of the indicators are not getting better. So losing stochastic, losing DMI, and our reversal indicator turned bearish. This is trending down. So we are officially now trending down on the daily chart. This is not the time to buy. You can buy at any point in time if you want. This is trending down, and we should buy at least when a stock starts to stabilize, and preferably when it's showing us that it wants to go higher. Taking a look at the 1 hour chart, so yesterday we saw the big move down that we had, and we have rebounded yesterday a little bit, and now we are just basically going sideways. All of our indicators are bearish on the 1 hour chart. There's no bullishness on the 1 hour chart either. Let's take a look at the rest of the markets. VIX is at 1659. VIX is 0.91 higher. So the higher the VIX, the lower the stock market. And the VIX has been trending up since August 13. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So Dow Jones came very close to breaking for good 45,210. Tried for a couple of days, but now it's caving in temporarily. So far we are still above the 21-day moving average, so it's really possible that we bounce on it. We still have stochastic, we still have DMI, we still have our reversal indicators, so this one is not as bad as Tesla. S&P 500, this one is still above a small support that we have. We are losing stochastic, we are losing the EMA. This is not looking as good as Dow Jones. Nasdaq lost EMA, lost stochastic, lost reversal indicator, but we are still above some support, so it's possible that we bounce on it. In terms of the small caps, not too bad. So the small caps are still doing pretty good. We still have our indicators still above the EMA. We have gone lower than 23.25. We tried for 2 days, we failed, and we are recouping a little bit. So it's possible, based on our indicators, it is possible that we are going to do another try soon. Let's take a look at gold. So gold is trending sideways, no bullishness in our indicators at all. Gold needs to break 26.37 in order for us to consider it a buy, because this is where it used to cave in. It has caved in 4 times since April 22nd, exactly at that number. So this is the number that we are going to use. Silver, this one is looking better momentum wise. The momentum is a little bit higher because we were lower in the past and we are moving higher, lower and moving higher. Effectively, this is what we are having here. We are having an ascending triangle. So the lows are going higher and higher, and we are making a top right here. This is going to be a buy. What is that number? 1307. And we have that pattern everywhere. We have that pattern everywhere, making tops, and then the lows are going higher. When we have a break, boom, it's going. So you heard it here first. Bitcoin yesterday was looking a little bit better because we have support at 111,940 here, and we had a green candle yesterday, so it seemed like we were really going to bounce on it, but we have a red candle right now. Still above support, so we cannot conclude anything else than it's holding. In terms of indicators, lost stochastic, lost reversal indicator, so we see some weakening, but as long as support is held, it's holding. Ethereum, a little bit better. We still have our technical indicators. We had a nice move yesterday. We are caving in a little bit today. Looking at the 1 hour chart, this is where we were yesterday. I drew an additional horizontal resistance at 43.76 to encompass some of the wicks that we tried to go above last night. Yesterday, we were seeing really nice impulses, but it did not yield much. And right now we are caving into this. Look at this. This is a high, and the highs are just going lower. Everything is in line. We are following this downward resistance. Of course, you can buy Bitcoin at any point in time, but if you want to buy it at exactly the right time, this is not the right time yet. No bullish technical indicators on the 1 hour chart, but we still have them on the daily chart. So, it might just be things of a few hours and things could be picking up, unless on the daily we start breaking 4091. Then this is going to tell us that Ethereum is really going lower, and at the same time our technical indicators are going to turn bearish if this happens. So basically everybody is waiting for this Fed Chair Powell speech tomorrow, Friday at 9 o'clock. He won't tell us what he will do with the rates, but he might hint at some inputs he is going to consider, and maybe people are going to extrapolate that one way or another. So that might be having an impact on the stock market tomorrow. Be sure to watch the market at 9:30 to see what is happening. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.